Welcome. This video is going to show you how to align an 8.5 by 11 sheet of transfer paper or dye sub paper onto a adult size t-shirt. It's going to be a short sleeve shirt. First thing we'll do is we're going to remove both the large inserts and the small inserts off of our heat press and set aside the actual paper. We're going to lay out our shirt onto the heat press. What I like to do is I like to slide the shirt just with the collar slightly off of the top of the platen, grab the sides down at the bottom with my hands, and feel how much shirt's there. If it's a little bit off, I'm going to just slightly rotate the shirt. So I know it comes pretty close. It's not going to be exact, but it will be close. The next thing that I can do is I want to take my large tool and put it onto the heat press. We're going to use a 3-point registration system based on the collar and both of the sleeves to square the tool to the shirt. You can also use our inserts as well to assist with this. So I'm going to do that in this case, where I'm just going to put the small insert up at the top. What I'm going to do to start off with is I'm going to center the collar with either the collar marks or the dead center, depending on how particular you want to get. If you want to get real particular, you can grab the top, what I call the Batman points, fold it over, and you can use the small insert and the markings in the small inserts to make sure this one is perfect. This comes to the number 4 here, and it's slightly off here. So all I'm going to do is slide the tool. Once I put the shirt down onto the platen, I'm not going to move the shirt again. I'm going to square the tool to the shirt. So I know as of right now, the center of the shirt is right here from the collar. Now all I got to do is square the tool with the sleeves. So I'm going to just take the sleeves, fold them over the top of the shirt, and look at the numbers. This one here comes to the number above C. This one here comes to a number below C. So I'll turn around, adjust the tool just a little bit, and then we'll come back here and flip the shirt again. This one's now to C. This one's now to C. So I now know that the tool is squared to the shirt. What I can do at this point in time is I can take my piece of paper, whether it be transfer paper or dye sub paper, and I can come along here and line it up using the lines either on the outside of the tool or any of the inserts that you can put in very simply and easily without moving the tool. You have 8.5 and 11-inch wide marks on the tool and the inserts to help you line up and square. The tool is also made of a polycarbonate material, so you can press down onto it and it won't break. First thing I like to do is I like to square the shirt vertically with it. So using the vertical 8.5 by 11s, I know it's there. Then the next thing I have to do is know how far from the bottom of the collar to where I want the top of my transfer paper to be. So if I want it to be 2 inches, I have the small insert coming across the 2-inch line. So I'll use that line on the tool to do that, and then I just double check my vertical marks. Everything's straight. Now all I have to do is pull the transfer tool off and close the heat press. That's all it takes to align an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper onto a t-shirt. Thank you.